If you want to unlink your eBay account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into eBay. Go to the eBay website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account that is linked to your Facebook. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account section. This can usually be found by clicking on your username or profile icon at the top of the page. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the account settings, look for an option that says linked accounts or social media accounts. Click on it to view the accounts connected to your eBay profile. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the Facebook account in the list of linked accounts. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect. Click on this option to remove the connection between eBay and Facebook. Step 5. Confirm changes. After unlinking, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any additional prompts to ensure that the unlinking process is complete. Once you've completed these steps, your eBay account will no longer be linked to your Facebook account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to eBay customer support for further assistance.